So we're gonna talk about the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. It came out, if I'm not mistaken, maybe a couple months ago, and I seen the commercial to it. You know, it was pretty cool. I mean, the commercial makes it look amazing. So, I was yesterday, just shopping therapy a little bit, getting some stuff that I needed for my place. And I walked into Target and I was like, well, let me see if they have the phone available because I know it came out a couple months ago, if I'm not mistaken. So I went through the unlock phone section and voila, I come across the only one they had left. So I purchased it. I went to my provider. I connected it. So let's begin with, okay, this is the packaging. Very basic. Samsung. Nothing special. For the record, it doesn't come with a charger. It comes with some cable, but I have no idea what the cable is for. But I know it's I think it's Type C, both of the tips of it. So I don't know if they have like a Type C outlet that you can plug into the wall or something like that. So thank God I have my Flip Galaxy that I did a video on that you can, check out in my channel. I bought the cable and a charger, a charger box cable thing that you could lay it on, and I bought that. So I already have one. So for the record, if you do purchase the phone, you need to get a charger, or unless you find the box that is Type C, both tips. So I don't know. I'm not into technology, so I don't know what I'm saying. So just bear with me, guys. I'm doing my best here. So, okay. So first of all, this is, what the phone looks like. It's really big, believe it or not. Very wide. This is the back. It has that right there. Like, I don't know, 1, 2, 3. I think it's like 4 cameras. And I don't know what this little thing is up here. So this is what it looked like. I haven't taken out the cover yet because I purchased it yesterday. I had to order a case online because they didn't have one in Target. Well, they had one, but it didn't fit, or I don't know. I couldn't put it in. So I returned it and I bought one on Amazon. So this is the back of it. I got the black version. I know they have several colors. And this is what the front of it looks like. It has like one camera there. So quality wise, this thing has like 3 options where you can put like 720, let me see, something Q FHD, and then it has some other one that, I mean, it makes that little wave thing look so real. Like this phone, the camera pixel quality, whatever people call it, it's really good. Like it's really good quality picture clarity and all that stuff. um Anyways, whoever has the phone, y'all know what's up with the phone. So I mean, I'm just giving my little quick review on it because I purchased it. It's really nice. I'm obsessed with it. It has this cute little feature that if someone messages you, the whole screen, like the edge, lights up in like a rainbow color. Let me see if I can show y'all what I'm talking about. I'm sending a text from my Flip. This is my Flip. This phone was really cool too. I did a video on it. Very cool. So if anybody has a Flip, check my other video. It's on there. I got this one maybe like a week or two, somewhere around there when it came out. But let me see. I'm trying to do that quick little, because there's another cool thing to the phone, but then there's one downfall that I didn't really approve of. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here so you can see the little cool feature I'm talking about. I like it. You see that? The little rainbow feature, cool thing. Anyway, that. The other cool thing I'm gonna say about the phone that I haven't really messed with it too much. I just, like I said, bought it and haven't had really time to go through the phone and the settings. And but I did find one interesting thing is this little pen thing right here. This thing. This I like this little pen. Whoever came up with this phone was very smart. So this pen has a little clicky thing right here. I don't know if y'all can see it. Well, that little button right there. You click it. So if you hold it, see that? That is cool. So you can actually interact with your phone with this pen and this clicker little thing that's right there. I don't know what this does or what is this feature for, but this phone overall is amazing. Let me see. I was messing with the camera a little bit. So the picture quality, well, yeah, you're not gonna be able to see it because of the whole lighting thing. But listen, this thing, I was in my balcony and there was someone across the street, and it has this option where you can zoom in 100 times. Listen, the camera on this phone and the features for the camera on this phone, amazing. I'm gonna see if maybe I could at least show y'all a night picture that I took. Okay, you see this picture? I don't know if y'all can see. Okay, right there. I gotta move it away from the little circle thing. So this picture was in my balcony last night, like at 4 o'clock in the morning, and it was pitch black. Like you couldn't really see nothing across the street. So I was like, let me mess with the night mode. It has this night mode, and I took a picture at night. And if you see this picture, it is crystal clear, and it even looks like if it was to be daytime, like maybe 7, 6 ish, like sun going down. But in reality, it was like 4 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, I'm a night owl. I don't sleep. So this phone, the camera quality is amazing. Now, the only downfall of the phone is you have to they go in different prices because they have, I guess, different gigabytes, and then they have up to 1 terabyte. The one thing I didn't approve of the phone was that Samsung decided not to add a memory slot for the micro SD card. I don't care too much for the headphones. I have wireless headphones. But if Samsung ever sees this, do not remove your memory slot. That's the only reason why I've always loved Samsung products and like LGs and stuff like that, because of the fact that it comes with a lot of memory, but you can also add memory to it. So Samsung, do not take that feature off your phones. Please, please do not take that feature off your phones. Other than that, yeah, you can get you what you call it, one of them little boxes. They sell them in the Best Buys and Walmart's little memory box or whatever, and you can always just store stuff and transfer from the phone to the box and save it there, backup, whatever. So you can also do that. But Samsung, please do not remove your memory slot. Other than that, I really don't know too much of the phone because I just bought it yesterday and I haven't really messed with it, besides the fact that it's beautiful, it's slim, it's thick, it's wide. I mean, it's light, like it's not even heavy. Like the phone is amazing, picture quality is amazing. It got a lot of special features, and I'm pretty sure through updates it's gonna have even better ones. So I'll be looking into that. But for now, I'm sure if anyone's seen other videos, I'm pretty sure there are other people that are smarter and more into technology and would can give y'all more details of the pixels. And I think the screen, I don't know if it's like a 6 inch, 6 point something. I have no idea, but I know it's a really like, I mean, I have a really big palm and the phone is literally like almost my palm. So yeah, it's a big screen. It has, I think, 3 cameras, plus that one, plus whatever this little thing is. That's what the bottom part look like. That's where you charge it. That's wherever you put the SIM card, and then that's the little pen thingy. Slides. As soon as you slide it, the screen will pop up. You can use it, write it. The little clicker thing right here, you can use it, press it, hold it, stuff like that, and it activates, and you can do other stuff with your phone. Then you just put it right back in. Bloop. I can do it like the commercial, but other than that, my review of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I'm obsessed. The phone is beautiful. It's big, nice screen. Of course, you know, you can download apps, put everything on it, watch movies, do whatever you want. That's my review. So thank you guys for watching. Y'all can follow me on my channel. Be safe. Take care. And I appreciate whoever watches the video. Y'all have a great night.